BMW has once again brought to us a very cool design concept. They have unveiled the Vision Circular Concept Car, which is highly intriguing. The car is basically designed to use as little as materials possible. I've seen a lot of disapproval of this design, but when we look at it more closely, I'll tell you why this is an exceptionally cool BMW design. The most impressive aspect of this concept car is that it has been incorporated with trademark features, such as the traditional horizontal kidney grille and the Hofmeister kink, which have been missing from recent iterations of the company's production cars such as in the BMW iX. Looking at the side profile, we see a design that differs from most other EVs such that it is not very bubbly, but rather has a forward-moving feature. The front fender and doors are constructed of aluminum, while the rear fender is built from steel. The actual remarkable thing is that the intense heat treatment of the steel creates a seamless transition from the anodized aluminum in the front to the blue heat-treated back. It's a pretty nice way to avoid using paints on automobile surfaces, since there's a wonderful transition from the copperish to blue. Instead of having a chrome piece that goes around the window, they have decided to use light to give us a visual aesthetic, and the iconic Hofmeister kink is back at the C-pillar, and it's nice to see that when combined with the BMW roundel logo, which is a kind of nod to the one found on the BMW 3200 CS, creates a lively, eye-catching visual representation of the German brand. Looking at the front, it's refreshing to see the traditional horizontal kidney grilles instead of vertical ones, and here too they have used light to create the grille feature, and it looks fantastic. They have also integrated double-eyed headlights, also called the angel's eyes, onto the kidney grilles. Another wonderful aspect you can find is that the brand logo is machined out of the aluminum, and that is something fresh. I must say that I am not a fan of the rear design, but it does complement the side profile with a touch of shoulder line that looks nice, especially for an EV, where sharp lines are rarely seen, and the back graphic has a solid stance to it. With a long wheelbase relative to total proportions, the interior must be really spacious. However, the massive light display on the dashboard could have been reduced. Comment below on how you feel about this design. I think the concept is intriguing overall, and I'd be interested to see how BMW develops it further.